Welcome to Reading Zone. In this video, we will learn function keys of keyboard. Function keys are in the top line of keyboard. These keys are labeled from F1 to F12. Keys works for shortcuts to performing special tasks. F1. It opens help menu when pressed with Windows button. It hides displays ribbon menu in Excel and Word when pressed with Control button. F2. Used to rename the file or folder. Used to edit active cell in Microsoft Excel file. Used to display a print preview by pressing Ctrl plus F2 key. F3. Used to open search feature in Windows Explorer. Used to changes lowercase to uppercase in MS Word by pressing Shift plus F3 key. F4. Used to close opened window by pressing Alt plus F4 key. Used to place the cursor in the address bar in Explorer. F5. Used to start slideshow in PowerPoint. Used to refresh internet browser, pages and desktop. Used to open find and replace option in MS Word. F6. Used to go to the next page in a split screen in Microsoft Word. Used to switch between open Word documents by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus F6 keys. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. F7. Used to active spelling and grammar check option in Microsoft Word. Used to open thesaurus in Microsoft Word by pressing Shift plus F7 key. F8. Used to enable safe mode in Windows. Used to enable extend mode for arrow keys in Excel. F9. Used to refreshes document in MS Word. Used to send and receives email in Outlook. Used to insert empty fields in MS Word. F10. Used to open menu bar. Used to maximize window in Word by pressing Ctrl plus F10 key. F11. Used to enter in full screen mode in browsers. Used to insert in spreadsheets in Excel by pressing Shift plus F11 key. F12. Used to open Save As option in MS Word. Open Print option by pressing with Ctrl plus Shift plus F12 keys. Opens new Word file by pressing Ctrl plus F12 keys. Let's have quick revision. Thanks for watching.